Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1T10 Smart 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and selecting Alarm section at the bottom on the left. Now, before creating your alarm, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select Settings. Misclick. And adjust all of those options under Alarms however you want to, like snooze. When you finished, go back. Now, to create your alarm, just select this plus at the bottom in the middle. Set up an hour. And in order to continue, hit OK in the pop-up. You can finally adjust your alarm however you want to. Over here by selecting Repeat. You can set up days of the week. I will go with Mondays and Fridays. Then click on this little bell. Select one of those options if you want to use YouTube Music or Spotify one, or click on Dismiss. Finally, you can tap on Add New at the top and set up music from your device by clicking on the chosen song. As you can see, I don't have any, so I have to go back and pick one of those sounds. You can do that by simply clicking on the best one. I will go with Beep 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 Alarm. Then go back and click on Label. Now you can label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and hit OK. You can also tap on this little plus next to Google Assistant routine, and this way add it or remove it from it. Now, in order to hide all of those options, click on this icon at the bottom right corner of your alarm section. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you want to edit it, select the same icon under the switcher on the right and make your changes. You can also delete it by selecting Delete at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!